Furthermore, the concept of God being a three-letter word, like other four-letter words, forced people to look up in the stars. In the beginning, from the savannah, monkey people we were, scratching the trees up our back, living in caves. We looked up in the heavens. The best way to describe it was use the simplest word, which probably was the first word, by the way, God. But now it's passed down to us in ways that science is in conflict with science. Yeah, it probably is. God is much older than science, the concept of God. The three-letter words, it had to be one of the first words invented. The guttural one-syllable words we learned to utter. And there are, of course, other three and four-letter words that we still utter. You may notice. Still guttural, still animalistic, still horrible. But the point is that the concept, God gave us science, God, so that humans could understand science. In other words, if you simplify science, advanced science is really just our understanding of God. In other words, He only gave us as much as we could understand. And break it down from there. And yeah, the scientists are pretty arrogant, think they got it all figured out. Every century they can heat up the theory of everything about it. But see, there's still things to be revealed, and stars are falling from the sky now. But see, you don't even understand what dark matter is. Science does not. I'm just trying to say, science and physics still don't even understand what dark matter is, or dark energy, or dark momentum, or dark, I was just discovered in the 60s, but you think you know it all. We think we know it all, as physicists and scientists. But you see, it turned out that 80% of the matter in the universe is dark matter. You cannot see with your eyes, even in a microscope. So, yeah, the theory of everything sounds good. Oh, it sounds fabulous. Of course, it will fail, too. Absolutely fail. But you're getting close when you're looking at the 12-string dimensional universe. We're starting down to 3, 2, 3, 4, maybe. 4, maybe, but there's like 8 more to go. Even Hindu religion thought tells us this, that there's 12 dimensions of being. Hindu thought is correct too, but that's not science. Hindu mythology talks about the 12 levels of consciousness, and it just so happens to match up with the 12-string dimensional theory of science and physics. That's odd, isn't it? It's very odd how that matches up. The Hindus are correct, Christians are correct, the Muslims are correct, and the scientists think they're correct, but if it comes down to it, I'm going to fall on the side of science, though. I am going to fall down on the side of Neil Tyson and scientists, because this explains a lot. This has given us a lot of reason to have hope. Is God a scientist? Well, I doubt it. But what comes after science? What comes after science? What comes after religion? What comes after hate? What comes after science that would make science obsolete? That's the question I often have. What would make science obsolete? What comes after science? But you just look back on science and say, it's ridiculous. You just answer. Yeah.